crafters, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Sandy and I invite you to subscribe. Today I just want to share with you a couple journal pages I did in my personal journal. We actually lost power last night, so it's kind of journaling by candlelight and flashlight, so it wasn't very conducive for filming, but I wanted to show you all what I did because I really like how they turned out. So open up my journal here. So my first page I want to show you guys was I went and saw this musical, Kinky Boots, and a friend of mine, this person right here, Taylor, she grew up with one of my daughters. They were closest friends all growing up, and she's now doing musical theater, where my daughter is doing regular theater. So it was really great to see her in a production. I'd seen her in productions all through grade school and high school, but it was fun to go and see her. So just wanted to show you, how you can use some ephemera. So this right here was in the program. So I just ripped that out and then glued that onto this paper. And then I really liked the names of, they always have signature drinks to go along with the show. And I wanted to save that. I thought that was fun. And then I clipped out her little, each artist or performer, they put a little bio, if you will. And then I just added some little tickets, because our tickets are digital. And it's actually a dinner theater, so you can go and have dinner. So I thought using the guest check was kind of fun because, we're eating dinner there. And then I just journaled on the back. So then I just made this pocket down here and tucked that in and put both of these back down in here so you could see the drinks. And then I told her I was coming to see her, and she came out before the show, which I thought was super sweet. And so we snapped a little picture before the show, and she was so good. And then I put this plastic here because I love the paper and I didn't want to cover up the paper. And these little plastic photo thingamajiggers, I got them adhesive square pockets. I got them at the at Target in their little discount section. It's not really a dollar spot anymore, but I bought a bunch of these last year when all the school supplies came out. You can also get these on Amazon, and I really like using those. And then the paper that I used, so this paper, these two papers here, came out of this paper pad. So this is a paper pad that I had. I most likely got it at Tuesday Mornings by the look of the label. So I used, I used this piece of paper for the top half, and then for the pocket, I took this paper and trimmed it. And I picked this paper because it looked like shops, which this is about a shoe, a shoe shop, shoe manufacturer. So I thought that was fun. And then this one, of course, has shoes on it. They're not boots, but it still kind of went with the theme. So I really love how this page came out. The next page I wanted to show you was this one here. So this, I took my granddaughter to Build-A-Bear workshop for the first time, and it was so much fun. So I took her right after Lana was born, and Amanda and I thought that would be a nice little treat for her. So I snapped a couple pictures and printed these out on my selfie. It's so funny, like you tell them to smile and it's like this awkward smile where you just need to tell them to say cheese or say grandpa is silly or something like that. You get a much better picture. So again, I used another little adhesive pocket here, and I just did my journaling on this tag, and of course I had a lot more to write than would fit on this tag, so I added it onto just this piece of paper and paper clipped it on the back, and then added some fun little, this ribbon here onto the tag. And I actually made a pocket here and a pocket here just in case, so if there's some extra stuff I want to store. So this trim came from this pack of adornments, and she picked out a unicorn, and she really loves unicorn, and you probably can't tell, but she's actually wearing a unicorn dress. So, and it's a rainbow unicorn on top of that, that she picked out. And so I kind of went with this rainbow theme. So the adornments, you can see here, this trim and that trim are rainbow patterns. So I thought that was perfect, and just tied it into a little bow. And then the paper that I used came from this paper pack, and this is another one from my stash. Bought it Tuesday morning. And the rainbow background paper, and then this is a cut apart, the You Are Magical, and I thought that went perfectly for unicorns, and it was kind of going to Build-A-Bear's a magical day. And then I just printed this out off of the internet. I shrunk it down so it would fit onto my page. Just printed it on some coffee paper, and then this little label I got from this paper pack, this Vicki Boutin Art for Everyone. I don't know what this particular pack was called. And again, another Tuesday morning stash pickup. But here's all kind of the items in there. So I thought that little label was perfect. And then this little piece of paper, I just thought it was cute because there's a bunch of little girls on there. And I thought that was really cute to put on here and make a little pocket. And then I used my little butterfly stamps and just put a few little butterflies around on the page. And I love how this page came out as well. And I did do on this paper here, copy paper, I did ink it up with this Kitsch Flamingo. So yeah, so 2 simple little pages that I just had so much fun putting these together. And so, some tips for you. So I just kind of went through, what the event was, going to musical theater show at a dinner place here, going to Build-A-Bear and with a kid and a magical theme. So I thought about what I had in my stash that might work with these 2 pages. And I'm really pleased with how it came together. And I loved using up the ephemera pieces from the program from the theater show. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and I appreciate your likes and your comments. It means so much to me, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye for now. I love you.